In this tutorial, I will show you the bash alias command. I have given a short explanation in my lecture 1 about the alias. Here, I will show you the use of this alias command. So, first of all, I will use a regular command alias-ala, which will show the list of directories and file of the current location. So if you want to create the alias command, you have to type alias. You must correct the quotation hyphen that is missing in the tutorial, so correct it. And now if I type capital L, then it will show the same output like alias-la. And if you close the terminal, the command will be alias will be not recognized next time. So I will again open it and type the L. It is showing command not found. So to make the command permanent, you have to do something. Suppose you have to make the short form of mkdir command like this. Correct the quotation. So mkdir will be now recognized by C till the terminal is open. To make it permanent, you have to open the bash rc file, .bash rc file. So open it from here. Of course, with sudo command nano .bash rc and go to the end of the file, and the command that is shown here like this, alias mkdir. That means alias c equal to mkdir. Okay, like this. Now save the file. Yes, and to make the command permanent, you have to re-execute this command source bash rc. Okay, now if use C to create any directory, then anyway it is already exists, 22. The directory is created. If you type ls, then you can see 20 is created. Now I will close the terminal and again open the terminal to check the command is working or not. C 55. And this, you can see 55 is created. That means the alias command is permanently stored. And if you want to remove the alias command after creating it, then you have to just type unalias l. Alias. Here my alias command was C, so just make it. And now if I see type C stamp 90, then it will show command not found. In this way, you can apply the alias and unalias command in your bash script. Thank you for watching.